The murder case against a woman charged for plotting the murder of her parents and siblings has been postponed to next week. Onthatile Sebati, 20, and the alleged hitman she hired, Kagiso and Tumelo Mokone, both aged 23, appeared in the Brits Magistrate's Court today. The Mokones were arrested after Sebati allegedly confessed to the Northwest Police at the beginning of December that she had hired them to kill her parents, 18-year-old pregnant sister and 6-year-old brother. Tshegohaco Moagi is following that case for us and joins us now. Tshegohaco, good evening to you and thanks for your time. It's such a difficult story to try and process and I guess make sense of. Just based on what has come out of those court proceedings, are we any the wiser around why this has happened?
Well, good evening, Kathy. We have got no idea, none the wiser, as to why she has done this and why she allegedly hired these two Mokones to actually kill her family. There really has not been any idea or any sense that came out of court today. Of course, they did have their formal bail application today. We understand that accused number one, that is Tumelo Mokone, he saying that he will be pleading not guilty in this matter, but nothing else came out of the other two accused, Onthatile Sebati and Kagiso Moagi. We do understand, however, that accused number three, Kagiso Moagi, is saying that he will rather remain silent at this stage. We did also speak to the family straight after the postponement to an aunt of Onthatile Sebati to ask if she had any idea as to why her niece decided to do what she did, what she allegedly did. And she said to us that, they have had no form of like a proper communication with Onthatile. The aunt really saying that she struggled quite a lot when she found out about what she heard, struggled to even get herself to court, but she made sure that she gets there to just see this particular court case through. So none the wiser, Kathy, as to what exactly led this child. I mean, she's 20 years old. She was 15 at the time. And so there's no idea at this stage as to what led her to do what she allegedly has done. We can say allegedly at this stage. However, we understand that she did confess to the police.
Let's talk about her. What do we know about her, Tseho, and her history, her background? Has any of that come out in court?
Well, of course, with bail application, we are able to get a bit more of a sense of who these people are. Onthatile Sebati, 20 years old, she's unemployed, and we understand that she is currently getting a stipend from her late parents' estate. She was living at some point with her aunt, the very aunt that we spoke to just outside of court. At some point she was living with her aunt, but then she moved to then live with her maternal aunt and went back then to Rakgadiwahai, her aunt from her dad's side. And then that's about it that we really know about her. We understand that she does not have any other qualification. Her aunt saying to us that she tried to get her to really go to school.
And in terms of the suspects and their connection with Onthatile, what has the court, what has come out in court about that relationship?
Well, Kathy, we understand that one of the suspects was actually Onthatile's boyfriend, but this is things that has come out from the family as well, saying to us that they understand that there was a relation between one of the suspects and that they were in a relationship. That's about all that we know from the relation that they have. The aunt really saying to us that what she knows is that one of the suspects lives not too far from her house. That's about all that they know. I remember also having a conversation with an uncle of Onthatile on the first appearance, after the first appearance, and he's saying that the family has got no idea who these people are. So the relation between the three of them is yet to come out. We don't even know the relation between the two Mokones, whether they are siblings or they are cousins. That still needs to be revealed in court.
Tshegohaco Moagi, thanks for that. Let's leave it there for tonight.